Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena and today I will show you my top 4 lip combos that I use for my everyday neutral makeup. So if you have pale skin like me, I think it can suit you, so definitely give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments, and let's start. I always put some chapstick on my lips while I do my makeup to prepare it for the lipstick. My favorite one for the last 2 years, this Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm. It is the most nice battery balm I ever tried, and I try a lot of them. And it also has a cute pink tint, and I like to wear it as my day lips when I don't want to put lipstick on. And right before applying lipstick, it's great to use some lip scrub. I use one that I did myself. I just mixed coconut oil with cane sugar, and it's safe to use. I did the work pretty good. I just put it in some little La Mer sample jar to keep it nice, and you never need to buy a lip scrub again. The first one is Matte Lip Kit from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Kylie. It was my go-to for the last year, and as I know, it's Kylie's favorite lip combo too. You can see it in so many of her Instagram photos. The lip liner darker than the lipstick shade, and it gives you this 90s effect that everybody up to these days, and it's pretty cute pink nude, and I was even surprised how good it looks on my fair skin at first. The next combo is KKW Beauty Nude 1 and Matte Lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Bear. It's still pinkish, but not so pink as the previous one. Love this combo for the super neutral lips look when I want to do something more creative on the other part of my face, on the eyes for example. And the next combo, I used the same KKW Nude 1 lip liner, but here I wear it with famous matte MAC bullet lipstick in a shade Honey Love. I heard that for the darker skin tones, the best nude from MAC is Velvet Teddy, but for fair skin tones, I think Honey Love is absolute best. It's not so matte as Kylie's one, but still pretty matte. If you're looking for a perfect nude lipstick, I think this MAC one is safe option because it's time proofed and will suit so many skin tones. The next combo is Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in the shade ICELATTE with matte lipstick from JEFFREE in the shade I'm Nude. It's pure beige color, there's no pinky undertone as in the previous ones, and I like to put this lip liner all over my lips and put lipstick over it. And this combo creates this perfect beige nude for me. And great thing is that here you can really control the lightness or darkness of your lips, putting more or less lipstick on. And I left my current favorite go-to one for the end, and I've already shown you this product. It's KKW Beauty Nude 1 and Kylie Matte Lipstick in the shade Kylie. I didn't tell you about it right away because I think this Kylie Matte Lipstick you can buy only in a kit and you cannot buy it separately. And this kit is pretty great. As I said, it was my favorite for the last year. But since I bought myself KKW Beauty one, I wear this lip combo almost every time I do my makeup. This lip liner a little bit lighter than the one from the original kit, and I think that's good for a lighter skin tone, but only if you want more neutral look, because I've seen a lot of pale fair skin girls wearing dark lip liner and it looks gorgeous on them. And one of the best thing about Kylie's mattes, they can survive all day and few meals and stay flawless. And these two, honestly, my absolute favorite right now. And I like to play with new makeup sometimes, but when I need something time-proof and when I need something that 100% works for me, I will definitely go with this too. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.
I said beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, cause that's all we know, beat me up, I'm getting higher, I'm on mine, got me singing, all we know, beat me up, I'm on fire, I'm on my grind, got me singing, oh yeah, got you